Welcome to my new video. This is Forensic Wow. We're doing 3 lessons in one video. We're multiplying with decimals. We're going to be using lattice, and we're going to multiply with scientific notation. So here's our first problem. 5.5 times 6.3 times 10 to the 5th. We got to learn how to do this. How do we multiply with decimals? Because that's what we got to do first. We got to multiply 5 times 5 with this. And then we're going to have to turn it to in scientific notation. So, 5.5 times 6.3. The easiest way to do that is to just get rid of the decimals. So now it's 55 times 63. Now I can't multiply in my head by doing this, so I'm going to be teaching another lesson right here. Lattice. Here you go. Okay. Make a box just like this. 55 and 63. Now remember, multiply in each of the boxes. Multiply this with this, and this with this. 3 and 5 here, 3 and 5 here. And then all these are rows, and you add them all together. I'll show you. 6 times 5 equals. That would be 30. So 0. Right? That's how you put it in. 3 times 5. That's 15. That's how I'll put it in here. Now 3 times 5 over here is 15. Six over here is 30. So now let's add. So 5 plus nothing equals 5. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 3 plus 1 equals 4. And then we got 3 plus nothing equals 3,465. So we got 3, 4, 6, 5. We're going to have to add this decimal. That because we moved each decimal one time to the right. I'm going to undo this. So that would be 34.65. Now we just add. Now this is our problem now. Times 10 to the 5th. Now we got to convert it to scientific notation, which was in one of my last videos. So that would be 3.465 times 10 to the 1st times 1 times 10 to the 5th. Another lesson learned here. And that would equal 3.465 times 10 to the 6th. That equation, that prop for that is done. Example 2, 4.3 times 2.2 times 10 to the 8th. Same thing here. Let's just forget about the decimals. Just 43 times 22. We're going to do lattice, since I can't do this without a calculator. In my head. And I'm not allowed to use a calculator, which is a good thing, because it improves my learning capability. And you would know nothing. So that would be 6 and 6. That would be 8 and 8. So that's 6. 8 plus 6 equals 14. So now we carry the 1 up here. 1 plus 8 equals 9, and that's 0. That's 946. We move the decimal place on each one over once. So now we gotta put that back, which is 94.6 times 10 to the 8th. And now our problem is 9.46 times 10 to the 8th. Now let's put this in scientific notation. No, wait, 94.6, not 9.446. So ignore this thing right here. Okay, that's how it is. Now we're gonna do it again. 9.46. That looks like an A. 9.46 times 10 to the 1st. Now, if you're gonna have to move your decimal to the right, then it's a negative exponent right there. So, and we don't have, and in this occasion, we do not need that. Now we got 1 times 10 to the 8th, which would equal 9.46 times 10 to the 9th. On Forensic Wow, I just did 3 lessons in one video. Please take notes off of this, and have a great day. Remember